Hello and welcome to Origination Station. My name is Steve Fretzin. I'm here today with Vicki Rock. She is the CEO of Victoria Legal and Corporate Services. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good, good. I think our viewership would love to know a little bit about your background and what our topic is for today.
Okay, I started my business actually way back in 1981 doing court reporting, and we do court reporting, transcription, videography, and worldwide video conferencing.
Okay.
And so I got into doing pitching and helping people, especially lawyers, on how to pitch their business, their expertise, about 4 years ago when I won an award with the Women's Business Development Center and doing a pitch. And
Cool.
my pitch was actually shown before 1,600 small businesses.
So you know something about pitching.
I know a little bit about
A little bit about pitching, okay.
After I finished that event, I was approached by the city of Chicago, and so asking us if we would help small businesses learn how to pitch their businesses. So I jumped in and they asked if we would exhibit, and so now 4 to 5 times a year we actually travel to the small business expos all over the city in teaching wannabe entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs about how to pitch your business.
Very
so
cool.
It's a lot of fun.
Very cool. And I know with the shows like Shark Tank and everything,
Yes.
everybody's sort of excited and interested in with what do I say and how do I get interest. What are 2 or 3 things that people have to think about before they go and pitch themselves?
Mm-hmm. Well, let's talk for a second about why would you even want to be prepared.
Okay.
So every day we're running into people, whether it's on an elevator, or whether it's on the street, or wherever you are, and especially if you're networking,
Sure.
you have to really be prepared on what is the story that you're going to tell that's going to have people be interested in you. So, for me, I'll start out, if people say, what do you do? And I say, well, we're historians of the spoken word and we're guardians of the record. And it makes people go, whoa, what's that?
You've got my attention.
Yes,
What is that? So it's eliciting a question like, wow, that's interesting. And so what does that mean? Or what is that, and so then you have more to share.
Yeah.
That's
well,
great.
It took me a couple of years to actually come up with that tagline.
Pretty good.
Yeah, and people do remember me because of that tagline. And so when you're meeting people on the street, how do you get people to say, tell me more?
Okay.
And so first off, trying to come up with that tagline in the first place, and possibly going on film or being videotaped or for your website or anything like that, you really have to be prepared. So especially right before you're going to be being videotaped, the best thing you can possibly do is shake it loose.
Yeah.
So think about the craziest things that you've done in your life, and for your clients, especially in preparation, think about some of your best clients and why it is that you like them and what it is that you did for those clients that made them say, you know what, you're going to be my attorney for the rest of your life.
Yeah, okay. So really identifying, what the clients love about you, or what are you successful in that may differentiate you from the other attorneys.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. So we were coaching one attorney, and he was talking about himself. He's an IP attorney. Mm-hmm. Well, after he did his first pass at doing his pitch, we asked him more questions about, well, are you licensed in more than one state? And so we found out that he's licensed in 3 or 4 states. That's sort of unique.
Yeah.
And it would then attract people who have family or whatever in corporations in multiple locations, things like that, which would attract the people to be able to use their services.
Okay.
And then the other part, so there's preparation, and that, as far as preparation goes, it's like beforehand, really writing down some of your powerful stories and success stories, and then coming up with a tagline or a question that would have people say, tell me more.
Okay.
So, and then right beforehand, like even getting on an elevator or whatever, put on your best smile, take a couple of deep breaths, and really, be on purpose about what are you doing? Why are you getting on the elevator? Who are you going to meet today that's going to be your next biggest client?
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.